Hey there. If you just bought a house or looking to rekey your house, here's some great information for you. So shopping for some lock sets, and say you have a lot of doors and you want to get the same key for all of your locks. Look for this number here. So see that number there? If you start digging through the different lock sets, we have here, so 16114, and here's a match, so 16114. So you can buy two of the same sets that will take the same key. So pretty awesome. Instead of having the house rekeyed, you can do it right here at the store. Just make sure those numbers line up when you're buying.